welcome to Whispers. So, I came across this news headline about Kayode Ariwoola, and as the Yoruba say, orúkọ ọmọ ló máa ru ọmọ. Ever since he's been made the Chief Justice of Liberia, it's been one. He has been in one Ariwo or another. So, was it the one where he was on the wheelchair and people were like, oh, to look by the Tifunubu, to look shaking. So it's been one thing after another. But this latest one is an expose because it involves his son, his daughter-in-law, and his brother. After all, àwọn Yorùbá máa ń sọ pé tá a bá fún wèrè lọ́kọ even wèrè tá a bá fún wèrè lọ́kọ ọ̀dọ̀ ara ẹ̀ ló máa ró sí. So Káyọ̀dé Ariwoola ó ti ń woko sọ́dọ̀ ara ẹ̀, sọ́dọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀, sọ́dọ̀ aya ọmọ, sọ́dọ̀ mi ò mọ̀ bóyá àbúrò ẹ̀ ní àbẹ́gbọ́n. So wọ́n ti ń ṣe ìjọba Ariwoola, fọmọ Ariwoola, fẹ́bẹ́ Ariwoola, fáwọn Ariwoola. So nǹkan gan, well, nǹkan tó wà in vogue ni wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa ṣe, so kò já wa lójú, àṣà wọn ni, ìṣe wọn ni. So come along with me as we find out in this expose what Ariwoola has been up to, and of course people's reaction to this is latest Ariwo. So within 2 years of being in office, Ariwoola has been accused of appointing his son as a judge of the Federal High Court, his daughter-in-law as a judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, his brother as an auditor of the National Judicial Council, NJC, which he chairs, and another family member as a Justice of the Court of Appeal. Outgoing Chief Justice of Nigeria. Outgoing. Okay. Olukayode Ariwoola has been accused of nepotism for appointing family members to key judicial positions. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìgbà ẹ̀ ni, òun ló kàn. So, within 2 years of being in office, Ariwoola has been accused of appointing his son as the judge of the Federal High Court, his daughter-in-law as the judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, his brother as the auditor of the National Judicial Council, which he chairs, and another family member as the Justice of the Court of Appeal. Ariwoola reportedly acted with blatant disregard for the authority of the Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN, and the Judicial Code of Conduct, which explicitly prohibits nepotism. Buhari náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Tinubu náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. So it's not the only one that acted with blatant disregard. So me ò support it, but that is the main thing. The code wants that a judge who exploits their judicial position for personal gain or to benefit a relative is guilty of abusing their power. I think just abuse their power. The so-called political thieves, political killers, political stealers, aren't they abusing their power? And they are abusing it. Justice Ariwoola will exit his position as CJN on August 22, 2024, upon attaining the mandatory retirement age of 70. A Nigerian human rights activist, lawyer, and professor stated that Ariwoola's tenure as Chief Justice fittingly concluded with a display of clannish favoritism. He lamented that in his final meeting as chair of the National Judicial Council, Ariwoola granted judicial appointments to two sisters, one to the High Court of Kwara State and the other to the High Court of Ondo State. Just a month earlier, he had appointed their brother as the judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory. He added that their father was a notable judicial benefactor. In 2020, the Legal Practitioners Privileges Committee, then chaired by Olukayode Ariwoola's predecessor, sanctioned a lawyer who had applied for elevation to the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria by altering Supreme Court judgment to insert his name as counsel in cases in which he had not acted. It said 21 days before his departure as Chief Justice, Olukayode Ariwoola